The FutureTrend channel presents its version of analysis of commodity currencies. Today, because of rising risk appetite that's spreading all around the globe financial markets, such kind of pairs like Australian, New Zealand and Canadian dollars are under the strong buying demand. That's why, for example, the Australia dollar is breaking its immediately downtrend line located around the local levels. Let's see this. For example, the Australia dollar on the 4-hour chart, we see that broke above 77.70 at the moment. The next barrier is around moving average 200 daily line that lies around 0.7812. The break above that level should also produce another impulse to the upside for the pair. Anyway, we don't like to be engaged with any of French long positions in the currency ahead of unclear weekend, because of the Syria conflict as well as other geopolitical fears. We prefer to stand aside at the moment. Anyway, we will be back to our trading opportunities regarding the pair on Monday morning. As regarding the New Zealand dollar is on the way to retest the highs of 2018 located at 74.35. Break above that level should produce another impulse to the upside, and in that case we will probably retest the highs of 2017 located at 75.58. The dollar Canada also is en route to trade lower. Probably in the nearest future we will test a very important uptrend line located at 23.50. This uptrend line was drawn from the lows of 2017 around 1.2097, and that's why it's a little bit probably very interesting kind of support at the moment, because in case of direct breaking below this line, the dollar Canada will be a victim of another impulse to the downside in the nearest future. All in all, the pair should remain under the selling pressure at the moment, while trading below its short-term downtrend located at the moment around 27.95. That's why we suggest to sell the pair on a possible retest of this line if we see, of course. As regarding the dollar ruble, that's at the moment opened a little bit lower at 61.58 at the moment. The pair should remain under the consolidation mode after the recent up spike higher to 65 level. We suggest that in the nearest future the dollar ruble will remain in a kind of range between 60 and 65. Our preference is to buy the pair on a possible retest of psychologically important barrier of 60, with a possible retest of higher levels, probably another impulse in direction of 65 barrier. Anyway, from a point of view of economic reason, we don't see any kind of signs for continued weakness in the national currency, in the currency of Russian ruble, because from a point of view of economic sanctions imposed by the United States authorities against Russian oligarchs, probably the market is a little bit overinterpreted the situation, as well as overextended the move to the upside. That's why we suggest any kind of continued weakness to 65 level at the moment should meet stronger selling interest and even the action of the National Bank of Central Bank of Russian Federation to prop up the Russian ruble higher. At the moment, that's all. We wish you a pleasant and peaceful weekend ahead. It was FutureTrend channel with you. Bye bye for now.